Kasi yung butot. What? This is hard.
Wow.
Abtik mo because Tito will ask for whatever he needs ng mga pieces of the marble run.
So the next one
Yan na
will
yung...
be... What's going on here? This is hard. There's a green one. I don't know if this... No, sa. May label.
You want banana? Yeah.
Not yet. Later pa na ba?
I'll take it away.
Is there another one like this one?
Oh, go find it, Dina. Nasa kang giyana dapit, oh.
Right there.
Right there. Give it to Tito, oh.
Can't tell you again. Wow. This one.
B, natagak B. Panita to kay makulangan ng inyong kuan. It's like a puzzle, you know? If mamising ang usa, it's not gonna be formed into a really nice one. Natagak B. Diri B. Nasa yung tiil dapit, oh.
Red.
Is that part of it? Right there, Bam. Tiil ni Gianna. Yeah, see? Yan. On the foot of Gianna, more. There's more. Right there on the left side. Is that part of it? You pick it up and give it to Tito.
This one?
No, right there. What's that one? No. Ay, it's the light. Okay, sorry.
Where's the...
Yeah, assist Tito da yun.
This one. This one will be here.
Yeah.
What?
Me too. Wait. It needs a gray one.
I know, but the problem is...
What happened?
What was happened? Isa ka bata, oh. Cute kayo. Marag abat. Very abat.
Oh, it should be longer than this.
Oh, longer. Pangita dayon mag longer than this.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6.
Fix your hair, Bam Bam.
Do you have like this? Longer than this one.
Ah, that one di ay.
This is not the one.
Ah, mo di ay.
It should be longer.
What?
So that this one will go from here. See?
What that, Tito? What? Gangislit ang dagway, oh.
And then this one.
Coconut president.
Oh, kuha na, kanang...
Which one?
Guys, kuha na, kanang... Focus na on helping Tito.
Red.
And then, do not guba it. Do not break it, okay? After Tito make it. Because it's hard to fix. Nain na tagak, be.
Green.
This?
I don't think so.
Yes.
See, told ya.
Muwadan.
Mom, tell me. Mom, tell me. Help. No.
Salamat kasi yung pinaskuhan. Salamat ka ba?
Ha?
Wait.
You're welcome. Masa na yung pinaskuhan?
Ayaw, mawala.
Oy,
Mawala na.
Wa na, nanay na tagak isa. Pick it up.
Salamat po.
You're welcome.
Food. Mommy, food. Eat it. here. Two.
Number 2, number 3. Almost done.
Jacket na laging gayos. Murag lami lagi. Murag baga.
Really? More man dagay na, ma'am. I think it's the same.
Lahi. Lahi
Really?
ang pambata. Lahi ang pambata.
Ah, ang pambata.
Lami ang bata. Baga.
Ah,
Tanaw ko po.
More and more.
Ito ang nipis.
panindot ng color, ma'am.
Orange. Where's the orange one? This one.
Wow.
This one. Like this one. One of this.
Yeah.
No, Isa. No, it should be orange. Look for it. No, not that one.
Color lang. Color.
This one. Like this one. Goy na. Ana.
Oo, unsa may ipangita?
Orange one.
Need one
Orange?
more. One more of this.
Siya man nag-i-open.
One more of the orange ba? Go find it dayon.
Ngita sa sinaran.
Orange.
Kita mo ga-open na rin.
Right here, in the floor, dire. Wala na, ma. That's all Gianna's there.
Eh, okay ra. Yellow na lang. Nasuk-suk din ako din.
Oh, really? How about the box,
Yeah,
Bam
that's
Bam?
fine. That's
Check
fine.
the
That's
box.
fine. That's fine.
And Bam, all the plastic,
No.
give it to Mama Pink
Oh, yeah.
so she can throw
You're-
it away. All the plastics right there, give it to Mama Pink. That's a trash.
Dili ko paluan na, be. Basig na nga dire. Dire.
Here.
Dire na lang. Kasi nang labay.
Okay, continue helping Tito na.
Wala na lang dito.
Here.
Continue helping Tito. Focus, guys. Focus.
Help.
What do you mean?
Help.
Wala mo na.
Iunin mo na sa likod, oh. And then go play. Ikaw, dito. Bring it there.
Tito, are you almost done?
Butang ito ba?
Yeah. Blue. Where's
Butang,
the
put it
blue?
there, Bam.
No, this is not. Oh, this is white.
Put it in the floor. Oni-una. Sige na, nako na to. Put this in the
Then
floor.
white.
Ikaw, careful. Tsaka na.
Please use your flashlight.
And then this. Can you see this?
Anong
This is the
rusik
one?
niya?
Yeah.
This one, right?
Yeah, it's a red one.
This one facing that one. Right?
Careful ba?
And then the red one. No, that's not the one. This one should be right here. You see that one? The red one.
Look what this is red.
No, this is not the one. There's one red. Look for the other red.
Big red.
This one is right here. Oh, it's the same thing.
No, Mama.
Ayan na talaga, that's after.
White.
So that's the one, right?
Wala si Tabang project pangita sa ilalom labs.
Sige, pangita. And then the next one, green.
Lay, happy na gid, guys! Don't ever break it because it's hard to
And then white.
form it, you know?
And then this one. So you there. Almost here.
Yeah, we need to form it to marble. Like this. Yeah, just like this. What do you mean?
That's it. The next one.
Your coconut tree.
Bam, nabot naman ka da, Bam. Go to the kuan, Bam.
1, 2,
Go to the hallway ka. Wala ka, go to the hallway.
Ari, be, oh. Dire.
You need
Ano mo dagan na, be? Ano mo ran?
No, not right now. That's the last one, I think.
Sige, wala.
Put it down.
Down.
the gray one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Lay.
4, 5, 6. 6.
Ano, be?
And then this one. What? What's going on?
Yeah, it's so definitely in my eyes.
Mata na, may go ng ulo, ma.
What?
Pasok mo na, be.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Down. Ayaw dia. Sige dia. Dire lah, dia sa budagan dia span. Anak. Sige. Anak.
Oh, this one.
Ito pingon.
Oh, grab it.
Kinsa nag-give anak.
Cheetah.
Thank you ka. Thank you ka.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Tita.
You're welcome, Baba.
Tito,
My gift is very cool. It can drift.
You like all the gifts that me and Tito gave you? And Mama Pink too.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Yan ako, pakusibo.
Oh my god. I caught a dinosaur? Maybe not.
Wow, nandito na ginawa. Nindot ang ginawa.
Busy po rin sa kababae.
It's not really bad. It's very easy.
I think so. And then one.
Dire rin
Give me that
butang.
one.
Kabos be.
That one will go.
Be, down na rin be, down.
Will go here.
Na rin be.
Where's the other one? No, it should be
Adi
this
na
one.
mudagan dia be.
This one should
Dire,
be.
ani, sa floor.
One. Ay, isa. Ano po? Ano mo?
Lugar. Ha? Ang sa pagkali mong wala ka ng kwan. Sangko man. Ana. Okay. Okay. Na! Sugaw eh. Ali! Sige. Now. Na? Ana be, Be. Oop, ay! Sugaw! Uy! Uy! Ligo mo, Be. Sangko pa na, Be. Sige, padol.
Dato, may tigulang ni Glendale. Tag-iyam, dig mga negosyo.
Are those dinosaurs?
Yeah.
You're watching Dinosaur and now you're forming a Dinosaur Marble Run.
What's happening?
Cool.
Yeah, almost there. One moment. What is this? What is this? That one. It's like a.
Sige, anak.
Find this one.
Sige.
The blue one. Like this one, no?
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy. Like this one, no?
Easy peasy.
Oh, where is it?
Color.
It's blue.
I put it here.
Oh my god. Look at the. No, right there. It's right there.
Gawin na man ko ka ng mga gray. Wala. Lahi siya kada kuan. Ang gray ba nga kuan. Abi na ko ka ng gray. Mura po na siya ingana nga. Mura ko. Lagi mga gray.
Are we almost done?
Almost. Nada gwa ni marble ga, no? Abasig ka ng mga yellow o blue.
Is that a scary movie?
Not really. It is adventure movie.
Wow, it's cool. about jungle?
Mm-mm.
There's two of this. Kaya, there's two
Baba,
of this.
look. Two of that.
Oh, where's the other one?
Right here.
Right here.
Look, on your
Yeah,
side. Look.
Yeah, I know. Ano, kura ganito.
Usa ka bata, mabisi ka siya. Uy,
Oh, hindi lang.
naya bros, basig guba na karon pa.
Oh, diyan lang. Uy! Oh, man!
Lingawa.
Oh! Okay, tayo ng alak.
Oo.
Siguro mo, wala ko na ba yung sila, right? Hindi sila itong mga kwan.
Nga. Tagalog.
Tagalog bang mga
Makaiyak ta.
story.
Ah, dyan na ka na ni mama.
Ano ba?
Katong gamayng bayi ma, tong bata, gamayng tong giilog iyang bana sing so. Nag-uli raman po to siya ma. Namatay tong bayi ma, wala ra.
Ano, kumantay? Buat ato. Ato, usbundo.
Asa man ang kadapita na adto.
Yung bato.
Nan.
May gamit niyo magagmat. Saan may gamit niyan?
Basig mo na ang marble ga.
Those are
Kay
the
Marble Run man na
These
siya.
are the marbles. That's why. Bueng.
That's how. You're so silly. Look.
Okay, B. Start na dayon.
Marble Run. It's the best. Marble Run. It's the flow of fun.
Grabe. Man, eh? Wala? Ay,
Basig
diyan
blue o yellow ga, partner.
Dili siya.
Pasok. Ito ta.
Pareho ra mo gusto style.
How about the blue?
Dili, dili. aha.
Wah. Sige. Susubi. Ka na. Ha?
Makalibog. Be? Dali lang. Hindi, dali lang.
Wabi, wabi. Asa ang cellphone na diya, say? Cellphone
Yan,
ako?
wala man ito yun.
Bay, cellphone ako, bay.
B, gayos. Look na. Nituyok na siya.
Ha?
Ang magdili sa matago.
Ano ito?
Another marble na lang siguro ga, no?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Look, look. Whoa! Okay, make more marbles.
Right here? Where did you stop?
Nasa pinakalas ito.
Okay. How about you gonna stop here?
Uh-huh.
I mean.
Balik na po dyan ito.
Hindi, mag-depende din. Dapat sa
Asa
pikas.
ang cellphone? Na diya, say?
Nag-video pa to ra, oh.
Oh, diya.
Hapit na. Okay na, guys. It's all done.
Tita,
The Dinasaur Marble Run.
help me with
Thank you
this
so much,
one.
Tito. Good, Tito. Si Tito knows
don't do
better.
it. That's hard.
Go, give it to Tito.
That's hard. That's why.
Ha? Ang lagi, di. Padulaan pa muna sila.
Oh, this one is fine. No, you have to put it right here.
Wow, paano mo lagi na?
You have to put it right here.
Okay.
Alright. Good job, guys.
Right here.
Thank you so much. Okay, start na, oh.
No problem.
Oh, oh. Tara, tuyok na, Bi. Oh.
Wow.
Make more of those, Labi.
Kayo na, bebe.
Ah, hindi na.
Mm.
It's kind of fun.